Good morning, student. Today I am explain about determination of wavelength and difference in wavelength by Michelson interferometer. So determination of the wavelength of a monochromatic light first. Monochromatic light, it means all of you know that having a single wavelength or single color. For example, you are taken laser light. Okay, that type of light is called as the monochromatic light. A monochromatic light is fall on a plate A. So you observe in the last PPT PowerPoint presentation in the class, that is Michelson interferometer. In that plate A you are taken. The mirrors M1 and M2 are adjusted to be exactly perpendicular to each other. What happens then? Suppose mirror M1 and M2 are adjusted mutually perpendicular to each other in the Michelson interferometer experiment. So what happened? Circular fringes are obtained. कैसा fringes मिलता है आपको? Circular fringes मिलता है. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ fringes ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತವೆ? Circular fringes ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತವೆ. So then 2t is equal to n lambda, where n is order of the spot. ಈಗೇನು ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇನು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ M1 M2 dash. You observe that figure, M2 dash is there. It means in that the air film must be produced. So then the thickness of the air film must be taken as T. Okay, then next, if M1 is further moved, ಆನಂತರ M1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ M2 ಲಿಂದ ದೂರ, ಥ್ರೋ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬೈ 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬೈ 2 ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 2t ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಏನದಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಈಸ್ n+1. ಅದು ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಆರ್ಡರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? n+1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ M1 ಈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ x, ಈಗ M1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸು? x. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ the field of view is capital N. Okay, then 2 into t plus x is equal to n plus capital N into lambda. So then subtracting the two above equations, that is 1 from 2. So you got 2x is equal to n lambda. Then the wavelength of that light is equal to 2x divided by capital N. Okay, so this is the expression for the wavelength of monochromatic light by Michelson interferometer. Then difference in wavelength. How we find out the difference in the wavelength? That is d lambda. To that, let lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the wavelengths of two lines d1 and d2. Suppose instead of the monochromatic light you are taken, that is sodium light, you got the two lines. One is dark, another one is slightly flint. So that is we are considered as D1 and D2. They are known as sodium D lines of sodium. The mirror M1 is moved and the position is found when the fringes are very bright. In this position, the bright fringes, due to longer wavelength, spectral line lambda 1 coincides with the bright fringes due to shorter wavelength of lambda 2. So if M1 is slowly moved further, the visibility of the fringes decreases. M1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅವು ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. and the field of view is uniformly illuminated. ಬರೀ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವೆನ್ M1 ಈಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್, ಆನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ M1 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ be the distance moved by the mirror of two consecutive positions of maximum distinctness or indistinctness, then the path difference is 2x. During this, if n and n plus 1 are changes in order of the fringes, the center at the center due to lambda 1 and lambda 2, then 2x is equal to n lambda 1, that is equal to n plus 1 lambda 2, called equation number 1. So n lambda 1 is equal to, rearrange to that one, n lambda 2 plus lambda 2. So therefore n is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 minus lambda 2. So this value must be substituted in equation number 1. So you got 2x is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 minus lambda 2 into lambda 1. So this is the expression, and continuously rearrange to that one, because we find the difference in the wavelength, that is difference in wavelength lambda 1 minus lambda 2 must be lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by 2x, called equation number 3, where lambda 1 and lambda 2 are nearly equal. Therefore lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2 is equal to, you take lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to lambda square. Therefore difference in wavelength lambda delta lambda ಅಥವಾ d lambda is equal to lambda square divided by 2x. Okay, so this is the expression for the difference in wavelength using Michelson interferometer. So then we come to the determination of the thickness of a thin plate. A thin plate is introduced in one of the interfering rays. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಥಿನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. thus the fringes shifted from their positions. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವೇನು ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗಳು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತವೆ. ಇಫ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಮ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 2 mu minus 1 is increased in path. The mirror M1 is moved backward or forward till the central bright coincide with cross wires. The distance x is moved by the mirror M1 is noted. Hence 2x is equal to 2 into bracket mu minus 1 into t. Therefore x is equal to, that is thickness, x is equal to mu minus 1 into, it is a t. Then finally the thickness of the thin film introduced in the path of the interference fringes, t is equal to x divided by mu minus 1. Using the equation, the above equation, so you must calculate t can be calculated. Okay, so now thank you.